Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says identify the incorrect characteristic of IUDs. Option A, increase spermicide. Option B, release copper ion that suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperm. Option C, make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. Option D, prevent semen from entering the female reproductive tract. So let us understand the question. It says identify the incorrect characteristic. So we have to look for the incorrect characteristic of IUD. So first of all, what do we mean by IUDs? So let us first talk about IUDs. So what are these? Okay, IUDs are nothing but intrauterine intrauterine devices. And why are they called so? Because these are the devices which are inserted in the uterus of the female, inserted in the uterus of the female, okay, uterus of females. And for what? It is a kind of a birth control method, okay, birth control method. And how is it that these devices are capable of controlling the birth? Because there are different types of intrauterine devices, you can say. So there are different types of UDS, that is IUDs, that is intrauterine devices, because these can be non-medicated. Like for example, you have lipus loop. It's a type of non-medicated loop which is inserted in the uterus of the female. Okay, and we also have other copper releasing IUDs. Okay, like we can call it as CUT, that is copper T, copper 7, etc. Okay, you also have multi-node type of copper releasing IUDs. Okay, then also you have hormone releasing IUDs. Okay, this hormone releasing IUDs. Which hormone do you think it will be there in this? It is of course progesterone, because progesterone is the one which will avoid the fertilization of the egg. Okay, so the main purpose of all this is, first thing, it can cause death of the sperms. Okay, so what are the characteristics? These can be spermicidal. Spermicidal means these can kill the sperms. Okay, especially the hormones, it will inactivate the sperms, and hence it will also have spermicidal activity. And also this copper ions which are there, they also have spermicidal activity. Okay, so the common characteristics, if you see, like it may not be the same in all the cases. Like in non-medicated, they don't kill the sperm, it just blocks it. Okay, then blocks it in the sense the fertilization may not occur in this. Okay. Then apart from killing, it will reduce the motility of the reduce motility of what? Motility of the sperm. Okay, if the sperm is not able to move, then it may not reach the egg for fertilization, right? Okay, so these are the two major reasons why these IUDs are used. Okay, so let us see. It says identify the incorrect characteristic of IUDs. Okay, option A is increase spermicide. Yes, some of these like copper releasing, it will increase the spermicide. That is, it may kill the sperm. So this is correct statement, but it is not our answer. We are looking for incorrect characteristic. So that is a characteristic. Option B, release copper ions that suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity. Yes, some of the copper based or copper releasing IUDs, that is what is the function. They release copper ions which can reduce the sperm motility and further can avoid fertilization. Then, but then this is a correct statement. We are looking for an incorrect statement. So remember that. Option C says make uterus unsuitable for implantation. Now, implantation, what do you mean by implantation? So implantation is the process by which the embryo, which has been in the blastocyst state, it will get implanted onto the uterus, right? That is the normal, after fertilization, the embryo will come and get implanted onto the uterine wall. So this is the endometrium. Okay, but because of the inserted or because of these inserted devices, then it makes it unsuitable for the implantation. Hence, this is the correct statement, but we are looking for incorrect characteristic. Okay, so this is a correct characteristic. Then prevent semen from entering the female reproductive tract. No, it will enter because these are the ones which are kept deep inside the uterus. It will enter the reproductive tract, but it may not survive or it may not reach the female ovum or it is a female gamete to fertilize it. So this is the incorrect characteristic. Okay, it is not that it will avoid the release or entering into the female reproductive organ. Entry can happen. Okay, so it is this is the one which is incorrect statement. So let us conclude. So what is the final answer? The final answer is option D. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.